Welcome to Dynamic Computer School.
What is storage? Storage refers to the component of a computer system responsible for saving and retrieving digital data. It is essential for maintaining data when the system is powered off or when the data is not actively in use. Storage can vary in terms of speed, capacity, and cost, and it is classified into several types based on how data is stored and accessed. Type of storage: primary storage, main memory. This is the computer's volatile memory, meaning it loses its data when the power is turned off. It provides fast access to data but usually has limited storage capacity. RAM, random access memory. Temporary storage used by the CPU to store data that is actively being worked on. It is fast but loses all data when the power is off. Cache memory, a smaller and faster type of volatile memory that stores copies of frequently accessed data from the main memory, reducing access time. Secondary storage. Secondary storage is non volatile and retains data even when the computer is turned off. It is used for long term data storage. Hard disk drive, HDD, a traditional mechanical storage device that uses spinning disks, platters, to read and write data. It offers high storage capacity at a lower cost, but is slower than modern alternatives. Solid state drive, SSD, a modern storage device that uses flash memory to store data. It is much faster than HDDs, more durable, no moving parts, but tends to be more expensive. Optical discs, CD-DVD Blu-ray. These use laser technology to read and write data, commonly used for media storage and distribution, but are being replaced by more modern storage solutions. USB flash drives, portable storage devices that use flash memory. They are convenient for transferring data between devices but have limited capacity compared to SSDs or HDDs. Tertiary storage. Tertiary storage refers to devices and systems that are used for archival purposes and magnetic tape. An older storage medium still used for archiving due to its large capacity and low cost. However, it has slower access times. Cloud storage: data stored on remote servers accessed via the internet. It offers scalability, flexibility, and remote access, but depends on internet connectivity. Quaternary storage. This is often referred to as offline storage, where the storage medium is not directly connected to the system and must be manually inserted or connected. External hard drives, similar to internal HDDs but portable, and can be connected via USB or other interfaces. Blu-ray discs, DVDs, and flash drives can also serve as quaternary storage when they are not permanently connected to a system.